So hey guys, in this video I will gonna discuss a question that is merge sorted array. So what you need to do is we have already given our two arrays which are sorted. Okay, what you need to do is simply just merge it and just print out the values in the sorted order. So as you can see it, the size of the first array that is given is 3 and the size of the another array is given as 3. Well, as you can see it, the nums1 of array is containing the 6 elements. So why does it only refer to 3 the size of the array? The reason behind is this, because as you can see it, the number of elements are 3. But when you will merge it now, it will contain the 6 elements. For the empty elements that you need to fill out in the result, they have already stored 0 in that place. That's why it has just mentioned you the 3 elements, because only the 3 elements contain actual value that you need to compare it. Okay. Similarly, in the second example, what you can see is the first array contains only one element, that is 1. The size of the array is 1 and nums of 2 equal to empty and n equal to 0. Here n equal to 0 because the second array contains empty set, whereas it has written m equals to 1 because when you will merge empty array into one element, the single element present in nums of 1, you will get the same output. The indexing of the array or the size of the array remains same. That's why it has written m equals to 1 here. So what you will do is simply, as you can see it, in first of all I have written in I equal to m minus 1. Why I have written m minus 1? The reason behind is because our element indexing starts from the 0. 0, it means the length of the array goes from m minus 1. That is, here you can see it, there are 6 elements, but the indexing of the element starts from 0. That's why I have written m minus 1, because it will go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's why I have written m minus 1. That is 6 minus 1 equal to 5. After that, I have written j equal to n minus 1, because here similarly in the next array you can see it, total elements are 3. And when you will write n minus 1, it just means that our array will go from 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, similarly in the last element, the new array what you will make is containing the sum of the elements that I have written m plus n minus 1. That is, here you can see it, 3 plus 3 minus 1, that is 5. After that, what I will do is simply take a while loop and traverse it. Okay, I have taken the while loop. I have written I greater than equal to 0 and then j greater than equal to 0. What does it mean? Simply you have to see that our first array and second array elements of when you will traverse now, indexing should be greater than equal to 0. This line refers to this. Whenever you write a while loop, you have to always cite a while, the condition inside it. After, only if you write a condition, that only it will provide you the result. Okay. After that, what you need to put in the if condition, if element of the first array, that is nums of 1 of I, greater than nums of 2 of j, means here you can see it, element in the first array is greater than the nums of 2, the element of the second array. Element of the first array is greater than the element of the second array. So what you will do is simply nums of 1 of k. What is k refer to here? The element of the new array which we want to create the result. Okay. So what I have done is nums of 1 of k is equal to nums of 1 of I. Simply what I have done is whatever I need to put in the result, I have to write in the second time, after equal sign. Okay. And where you need to put it, the place where you need to fill out the values, this you have to write in the left side. Okay. So what I have done is nums of 1 of k and equal to nums of 1 of I. Why I have written 1 here? Because as you can see it, nums of 1 containing the empty elements in the set. That's why I have written nums of 1k, because it has given already in the question that whenever you need to merge the array, it should be sorted as well as it contains the size of the first array and just fill out the elements in the first array. That's why I have written nums of 1 of k. Here is the new array equal to nums of 1 of I. Here why I have written nums of 1 of I, because what need to do is, if I will see element that is greater, so what I will do, just prefer it, just put it down in the new array. And if I just placed in the array, so what I will do, just decrease the size of the I. So it's just a must condition whenever you are in the while loop, you have to always decrease I or j or k, whatever the elements you will take. After that, why I have done the k minus minus? The reason behind it, the new array we will create, it just if we are putting elements in the array now, so the size of the element increase. Okay, suppose here if you will create the elements here, देखो 3, 4, 5 and 6, and after that suppose if I have put the one element here, the size of the array is k, so whenever you will put down the values in the array now, the size of the array decrease. That's why I have written k minus minus. This is the simple reason behind it. Okay. After that, else condition, what will come in the else condition? That is the second array, that is nums of 2 of j contain the higher value than nums of 1 of I, or it also possible that both the arrays should contain the equal element. Okay. It can also possible that both the array is equal to nums of 1 and equals to nums of 2. So what you will do in this condition, that nums of 1 of k equals to nums of 2 of j. Here you can also write else if condition, where you can see it if both the nums of y 1 is equal to nums of 2 of j. So what you can see is simply write the condition. You can also write nums of 1 in the place or nums of 2. It just totally depend on you. After that, I have done j minus minus, because when I put the first element in the second array, I need to decrease the size of the elements to reach another element in the array. And after k minus minus, because what I need to suppose to be it, the new array, the next array, what will contain the decrease of the elements, because I have already filled out the same elements. So what I need to do is decrease the size of the array that I have already told you. Okay, so I have written this condition. What does it mean here? I have written I greater than equal to 0. I have already mentioned greater than equal to 0. So if I want to take elements that are equal to 0, that's why I have written this condition, that nums of 1 of k of minus minus must, if suppose only the one array exists and another element does not exist, means suppose another element is empty, as you can see here. So for that reason I have written nums of 1 of k minus minus equal to nums of 1 of I minus minus. Simply I have written nums of 1 or nums of 1 here, this in this side, because k minus minus means you are decreasing the elements in the array, and you are filling out with the I values. Similarly, in the next nums of 1 of k minus minus is equal to nums of 2 of j minus minus. Simple code is you can understand. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आएगा. Thank you.